give us a short message, our very own, very talented, Mr. Eric Zapanta.
Okay, hindi na po natin patatagalin to. Since are all ready na. Okay, this is our final day of our foundation day. After the long months of academics since June and until December, we cover up our attentions to your academics needs by our students. But for the month of January, we concentrated 3 weeks for the preparations of this affair. Although we shortened our period that time, nag-shorten po kami. We shortened our academics from 50% academics and 50% practices and training lessons of different field in music, arts, painting, drawing, the dances, hip-hop, ballroom, and ballet, and others in sports, specifically in martial arts, taekwondo, and aikido. Now, ito na po ang bunga ng aming pagpapagal with your kids, of course. Kaya po, nagpapasalamat na kami in behalf of the administrations of Easy Center for the Arts and School, the Board of Directors, teachers, music teachers, and of course, to you, our parents and children. Thank you for supporting us and entrusting your children with our care during our academic year. Malaki na po ang aming pasasalamat sobra sa inyong pagsuporta sa inyong mga anak at sa school. Kaya po, hindi na namin masyadong patatagalin to. Konti lang po ngayon. Hindi po tayo magtatagal ngayon, unlike in other previous recitals namin. We started 10 o'clock and we end 9 or 10 p.m. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sobrang grabe naman po. Ayaw po namin kayo magtagal. Kaya ginawa na po namin itong dalawa. Ayaw po namin kasi mag-perform lang inyong anak na isa o dalawa lang. Kahapon, sobra-sobra. Napo, merong 3, merong 4. Yung iba pa nga, 5. Ngayon po, ito yung pangalawang araw na hindi naman katulad nung kahapon.